In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right LinkedIn app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, with so many apps and so many imitations from Google Play Store and App Store, you may wonder how do you identify the correct LinkedIn app. To do this, go to your Google Play Store app or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here, tap on it to open, and then search for the app by name. So I'll just search for LinkedIn, and here we have the app. I'll search, and now when you search your app, you can see we have our app here. If I tap on it, you can see we have details about the app. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is this LinkedIn Community and Network app, and it is from LinkedIn Company. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 3 million reviews, and the app has over 1 billion downloads. So it has so many downloads. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. To get the app, now tap on install, and this will download the latest version of LinkedIn app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now if you go back to your apps, here you should be able to find your app. So that's how you can install the right LinkedIn app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.